Like the things that stick to your face, lay an egg in you, and it bursts out of your chest from Alien.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
I'm not landing ammo dump, bro.
I knew you were going to say that.
Why'd you always want to go ammo dump? We don't even have guns!
We're going ammo
There's
dump.
literally guns there.
Bye.
There's no guns!
There's guns there all the time.
And like, what's the play after we go to ammo dump? So why not just land Beach Crab?
Because we can get guns.
Oh,
before
Mortal
we go to
Strike.
Beach Club.
But Beach Crab has gun.
Literally think about who we play with. Do you think that they want to start off playing aggressive? No, they need to get guns first. See, and you're signed because you know I'm correct.
You're fine.
You're fun. You always know.
Boss P. I want to talk about pea shooters.